Scientists discover the oldest human fossils outside Africa. Scientists have found the oldest human fossil at any point found outside of Africa in Masliya Cave, Israel. The discovery implies our present timings for human migration and evolution could be off by at least 50,000 years. Scientists think our modern human species, Homo sapiens, emerged approximately 200,000 years ago in Africa. In the 1980s, fossil and DNA evidence pointed to the continent as the cradle of humanity. Where humans went next, however, is still a big mystery. Billions of pieces of plastic are sickening the world's coral reefs. 1/3 of the more than 150 Asia-Pacific coral reefs surveyed in a new study were covered with plastic, additionally threatening already depleted marine ecosystems. Garbage like disposable diapers, plastic bags and snack wrappers are getting into the ocean and snagging on coral reefs, leading to deadly infections that literally eat the corals alive, a new study suggests. A 4-year survey of 125,000 corals in 150 reefs in the Asia-Pacific region found that corals in contact with plastic debris had an 89% chance of having 3 nasty diseases: skeletal eroding band disease, white syndrome, black band disease. NASA is sending a robot to Mars this spring to understand how planets are born. In 2018, NASA hopes to put a robot spacecraft on Mars in an attempt to understand how the red planet, Earth and other rocky planets are born. Specifically, the mission will enable NASA learn where there is ice and whether there is liquid water under the surface of Mars. The lander will likewise collect weather information for the surface of Mars as well. Google cancels $30 million competition to travel to the moon. The $30 million Google Lunar Prize competition, an attempt at making space travel cheaper, has ended without a winner. In a statement, the organizers have said that none of the 5 finalist teams could raise funds for their projects. Team Indus from India, SpaceEO from Israel, Moon Express from the US, Synergy Moon with participants from many countries and Hakuto from Japan were finalists. The competition aimed to challenge and inspire engineers to find low-cost methods of robotic space exploration. To win the prize, privately funded teams were asked to land their spacecraft on the surface of Moon, travel 500 meters and broadcast high-definition video and data back to Earth. Scientists discover 11th Archaeopteryx fossil, the oldest yet. Paleontologists have discovered an 11th Archaeopteryx fossil. The 150 million-year-old dinosaur bones are the oldest yet to be credited to the transitionary genus. The discovery could help scientists all the more effortlessly differentiate between a group of bird-like dinosaurs and their closest relatives. The fossil was found in ancient rock in the Altmühl River Valley of northern Bavaria. The strata from which the most recent specimen was excavated represents the later Upper Jurassic epoch.